Okay, today we're going to be looking at filters and applying different ones. So you can see the filter gallery right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a headshot. You're going to use a picture of yourself since now that we've taken them. And what I'm going to do is there's a picture. Okay, and I made this 24 by 24. So make that a little larger, and up here is just going to be my normal one. Okay, so now I need to make copies of that, and how do I do that is if I'm on the V or the move tool and I just hold down Alt. See Alt, and now I click on it and it makes a copy. So what we're going to do is we're going to then go around. I'm not going to do all of them, but as you can see here, I would like you to apply multiple ones. So for example, there's that. Okay, so you can see each one will be in a different layer. Alright, so whatever I click on, of course, that will be the layer as long as I have auto select clicked on. So this one's going to be the normal one, and you can put your name on top of it. Okay, so if I'm looking at filter, and if I go to that, you can see all the different ones here. Okay, now, and that's under brush strokes. If I go to texture, you can see there. Okay, tactile, here's stained glass. It's kind of cool. Patchwork. Okay, now, like if I click one of these, let's say if I just click green, then there's another 1.5 million different options to whatever you want. And then your contrast here, if you change that, you can see how it changes it, makes it darker, basically. Intensity, you can see that. Okay, and then here are some more. So there's like plastic wrap. This is probably easier to go through the different ones than clicking here, but let's, for example, glowing edges. Okay, let's say I want that. So I click OK. Now that's the only ones that change. You can see, you change that to glowing edges. Okay, now I would go to the next one. Again, filter gallery. If you want the shortcut to that, if I click it and just click Command F, that will take me there too. And it's just kind of neat to see some different things that they can do. So, yeah. So what you'll do then is above it, I would use the T tool, and then I would type the filter it is. So for example, this one was glow. And then you'll do that for each one. Okay? Any questions? Please ask. I would like to see 4, 8, 12. You can get 16 pictures of yourself on here just to show the different filters. Okay? Alright. Have a good day.